Hello, my name is Marta, and this is the long overdue cloud interface homework. I truly, truly, truly apologize why it's late. So we watched two videos. Let me share my screen. We watch um two videos. One was did I share my screen? Okay, here. So the first video that we watched, the index.js, it's combined. We had two separate codes, but then like the second video was building off of it. So the first one, what we did was we had this like header, what we called M5 details, which was in our, let me go over, which was in our snowman. Let me go to this. How did, oh, here. No, headers. So we had an M5 detail header with this parse like JSON like information. And then we had a code to parse that information and like call from here when we're sending this request. And the second video is that we were using the same thing, like same parser method, but this time we were uploading to the Firestore, and we were also we uploaded a document into the Firestore. So let me just go over like my setup and yes, why it took me so long. One, it took me so long because I had some bugs in here. It's not bugs, but like I had like some it's case sensitive, so I didn't know some things were capital or small letter, and it just didn't fully like log it or and stuff like that. And another thing was let me just so many tabs in here. Here, when I press this link, for some reason it says malformed request. When we had like first, like when we had a small code where we were like saying like a hello world or whatever, it was working. But after that, just the link doesn't work. So I was confused. Everything else works, and I just wasted so much time just trying to figure out what's wrong with this. I don't know if it's supposed to be like this, but I will see in office hours. So that's not important. But the most important thing is everything's working. One second. I have a tab here for the share screen that allows me to not see anything. Okay. Where am I? Sorry, I am completely lost. Okay. Right here. So this is our the code that we like walk through and how to like this is how we were parsing it. And then over here I skipped it, but this is like we got this directly from the num thingy, where this is the functions that are being called, like the Firestore for cloud storage for the function, and it's also their versions and dependencies are called here in the package. And then, yeah, again, we are here reading from our bucket and collection name, which is very helpful. Which also, I had an issue here because I forgot to remember my bucket name and my collection name, and I created a new bucket name and a collection name. And I was like, oh my God, nothing is going into the Firestore, but I just went back and got it from my variables. And yeah, so let me just go over my Firestore. Sorry, I have a million tabs here. Oh my God. Let me just delete some of them. Sorry. My Gmail. I'm so sorry. Okay, so here is, let me just send this again. So here, GFS status, M5 details successfully uploaded to Firestore collection, which this was my collection name, and this is my bucket name. And then this is because I have a document here in my body where I uploaded, I had a code. I was doing code for another class, so I just uploaded that as a TXT. I tried to upload a Word document, and then it just, when I was downloading it from my cloud storage, it downloaded a whole zip file, which was a whole other thing. But so I uploaded this and I sent it again for some reason. Let's just go to my Firestore first. And yes, so my GFS data here, it has my user ID, Marta, as Marta and my data points, where it gave me a different document ID, which can also be seen here in the log. Um, Interface is actually cool. I never liked it like that. This is so cool. I don't know if this is very nerdy, but I enjoy it. So as you can see here, this is the latest document ID it gave me. Oh, wait, no, it was here. I don't think I refreshed my log. Let me just, yes, I think this is not my latest log, but anyway, but this is how we can find the document ID. Um, and then the Firestore, we can see it's the same. And we can press any at random. And then we can see our fields here, all the data. These are the parsed uh, data that we shared. Here is my user ID, as you can see, which is called here. We get temp, the proxy, all that stuff. The proximity, not the proxy. And then we go to my bucket list, which let me refresh to get the latest uploaded document, which I uploaded all the same. So let me just download it, and you can see here my code I've been working for another class is right here, which is very cool. Um, I have used backend like Firestore directly from the Firestore console. Never used Google Cloud. This is cool. And I also have like another project coming up for my capstone, so I would definitely use it this way because once I understood it, it's much, much easier. Um, but I think I covered everything. I'm not sure, but yeah, so this is everything. It's just saying successfully my document being successfully uploaded to my this is my bucket list, and this is my collection name, bucket name. And yeah, this is the file size. I don't know much about, and then here is like the data that it parsed from here, from the header. And yeah, everything worked except the link is not working. I don't know if it's supposed to do that. So I'll just leave that at this link. Um, yeah, uh, I don't know if it should work, but this was cool. So thank you so much and have a great night.